Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to pair your Helio Ring with both iPhones and Android smartphones. So let's start with the ring itself. First of all, connect your charging dock to the power supply and make sure to put your ring on the charging station, the right side. As you can see, there are some inner ridges in your ring, inside your ring. Make sure that they match the ones on your charging station, and make sure that the ring sits easily on a charging station. So find the right fit, and once you connect it properly, you will see the white light on your charging dock. If your ring is charging, it should be pulsing white slowly. If it's fully charged, it will be just a static white, and if something is wrong with the hardware, you will see the red indicator. Now let's switch to the smartphone now. So if you are using an iPhone, then first of all you're gonna have to open the App Store and download the Zapp application on your device. So find it in your App Store and then download and install it. Then open the application and sign in to your account. And if you don't have a Zapp account, you can either sign up and then provide your email address, password, enter a verification code, agree to software agreement and privacy policy, and then tap sign up. Or you can quickly sign into your account by selecting login and then using either your email address and password if you have ones for the Zapp account, or you could using a quick sign in with a third-party account. In my case, I'm gonna be using the Google account. So let me select, for example, this one. Continue. And once you are signed in, let's allow this app using our application and let it detect in Bluetooth devices around you. Go to the device section and here select ring. Tap agree, then tap next, then let your iPhone find the ring and keep your ring as close as possible to your smartphone. Tap pair, okay, and once the light becomes white, that means that your ring is connected. Now just tap next. Then you can set up health monitoring by selecting set now. Then adjust the heart rate, sleep and stress monitors, and also blood oxygen monitors in this menu. And at this point your device is basically connected. So now let me show you how to do the same thing with your Android device. So on your Android device, just like we did on an iOS, we have to open the App Stores, but the Play Store in this case. So open the Search tab and find the Zapp application. Install it on the smartphone. Wait until it's installed. And then open the application. Let's sign in to the Google account just like we did before. I did before. You can use your own way, of course, of signing in. Now let's go to the device section. Once again, let's select ring, allow it to connect to other devices, then tap next, then let the smartphone find the ring. And once it does find, tap pair and let your device pair to your ring. And the following steps are pretty much the same. So let's tap next. Then we can just as well set up our health monitor, and then the ring will be connected with our device. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.